Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change app icons on iPhone with iOS 14. It's actually really easy to do, and there's lots of customizations that you guys can make. You guys can obviously just search for single images if you would like to, or you can guys go as far as getting full icon packs from jailbreaking themes, and then go ahead and change all your icons. So I'm just going to show you guys really quickly how to change one, and then obviously once you guys know how to change one, you guys can go ahead and change any application you want and as many as you want. I just think that the jailbreak icons will look the best just because they'll all look kind of similar. Anyhow, I'll show you guys how to change the icons. All you want to do is go over to Safari. You just want to search for any icon that you want to change. So let's just say I wanted to change the photos icon on my iPhone. I'll just search for photos icon iOS and just search for that and see which ones that it gives me here. So I'm just going to find one that I like. So let's just say I want to change it to this icon right here. All I want to do is just find the icon that you want to change it to, long press on it, and click on Add to Photos. And then all you want to do is exit out of this application now, and you want to go and find your Shortcuts application. If you do not see your Shortcuts application, you just want to go to the App Store and download it. It's just available on the App Store from Apple, so it's very easy to find on the App Store. Once you download that Shortcuts application, or you find the Shortcuts application, you just want to click on it to open it up. Once you're in Shortcuts, you want to go to the top right where you see the plus icon. Click on the plus icon, then click on Add Action. Then you want to go to the top where you see Search for Apps. Click on that and search for Open Space App. And search, and then just under actions here, you'll see the first option is open app. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then where it says choose here under scripting, you want to click on choose and just choose the application that you want it to open when you customize it. So I'm just going to go here and find the photos application. Click on photos. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the circle with the three dots beside where it says new shortcut. Click on that. And then here's where you want to name the shortcut. Don't worry, this is not where you're going to name the shortcut on your screen. This is just for inside this application. So I'm just going to name this one to 5. Click on done, and then click add to home screen. Now this is where you want to change the name of the application. So I'm going to put photos here, for example. And then I'll click on return. And then right beside that, you're going to see the little square here. You want to click on that and click on choose photo. This is where you'll choose the photo that you want to put for the application background. Once you choose the photo, you just want to zoom on it to crop it how you would like. Don't worry if there's a little bit of border around it. It's actually going to get rid of that once you save it. So don't worry too much about that. I'll just make it a bit bigger. Just like this. And click on choose. Then as you guys can see, it cleans it up for you and it looks really good. It gives you a little bit of a preview there as well. Now, after you're done that, you just want to click on add and then done. Now, once that's done, you can exit out of here and then you see your new icon right there. So you just want to click on that to open it up. And as you see, it opens up your photos right away. Now, one thing you guys can do to speed it up, as you guys seen, it actually is really fast for me because I've already changed this setting. But if you guys haven't changed this setting I'm about to show you, I really highly recommend it. It'll make it run a lot more smoother. So just go over to your settings, and then you want to go to accessibility, and then motion. And you just want to turn on your reduced motion up here. It's going to make the effect a lot faster. So it's not going to show you that it's going into the Shortcuts application at all, really. It's just going to go right into the application that you set it up for. So it's a lot better that way as well. One other thing that I want to point out to you guys as well, for example, now that I have these two photos applications, if I wanted to get rid of my normal photos application, I just can go over to it and click on remove app. It doesn't actually fully remove it from your phone. It just removes it from your home screen. And then you're obviously able to go over and drag your new photos application over and put it to where that one was. Click on done. Now, if you wanted to find your old photos application, you're just going to scroll all the way over to your app library. And then you will see under creativity, I still have my photos application there. If I wanted to go ahead and re-add it, I can just long press on it and click on add to home screen. And then it will move my photos application back. Very easy to do. And like I said, I recommend that you guys go do apps from jailbreaks just because there's lots of apps in one package for you. It's a lot easier that way. It'll look a lot more smooth. But I just wanted to show you guys how you can add them. So now you can go ahead and customize the applications however you want. If you guys want me to make a more in-depth video on how to do this and some customizations I would do, or just some setups that I'm going to be doing, just let me know. I'll make another video showing you guys my setups and stuff like that. Anyways, in the meantime, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to add app icons on iOS 14. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.